Hi friends, myself Purushottam Kode. Today's topic is difference between object-oriented programming and procedure-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming is one of the high-level programming language in which a program is divided into objects. Using objects, the program can model word-level sequence, improve software development, processability. Object-oriented programming is a modular as a provides sequence of the does details object-oriented programming development. It is extensions of the object programming language because factors explainabilities and the everywhere to the improved software maintainability since the design is a modular part of the system can be uploaded in case of issues make at the changes. The faster development the runs in developments object oriented programming language and with experience of the objects. The Bob procedure object programming. Procedure oriented programming stands to the oriented programming language. Following the important difference between Opps and Pops. In the procedure oriented programming approach, the large or into the similar sequence of the functions. Oops. In the procedure functions contains a industrial for the programming sequence of tasks during the program extensions of the language and procedures. To call the procedure we can have using a functionality only. Involved is a major established in an procedure functions and not on the data. Uh, Global data are more variables to the accidentally change the functions in the large program in the default to the identify what data is used by the which functions. Employees of a procedure oriented programming language are civil for dense parcel language. Characteristics of the procedure object programming language large programming language unit similar to the known as functions. Most of the functions share global data more clearly around the systems from functions and the functionality the development. It uses a top-down approach in programming design. A drawback of a POP programming. In a POP, global data can be accessed and changed by the procedures functions, so there is a data to the change. POP does not model real world problems because functions are action oriented. Thank you, friends.